In 334 BC, a 20-year-old Alexander the Great stood on the banks of the Hellespont, ready to embark on a journey that would change the world. With only 40,000 men, he faced the mighty Persian Empire. But Alexander had a secret weapon, his unparalleled ambition and charisma. In the Battle of Issus, vastly outnumbered, he led a daring charge straight at King Darius III, causing the Persian king to flee and leaving his army in chaos. This stunning victory sent shockwaves through the ancient world. Alexander's genius wasn't just in battle. He founded cities, spread Greek culture, and sought to unite East and West. By age 30, he had conquered most of the known world, creating an empire that stretched from Greece to Egypt and into India. But his untimely death at 32 left a legend, Alexander the Great. A young king with a dream of a united world still inspires us today. His legacy? Proof that one person's vision can indeed change history. If you are inspired of Alexander the Great, do subscribe my YouTube channel for more short video like this and hit the notification bell. See you in my next video.